Well, hi again. So today we're down at Somersby Falls. This waterfall is it sure has calmed down since the last time we were here. We came up about a week ago when the storms were on through Sydney, and it was torrential. The flood was amazing coming over the falls, and today it's looking a little bit more back to normal, so hopefully we'll get a couple of shots today. I'll take you out here and we'll do a comparison of what it looks like today versus how it looked a couple of weeks ago. I'll put some footage up so you can see the difference. It's quite a nice fall, quite scenic, good picnic areas. Let's show you this, and you can see this for yourself. Very scenic. You can look down here, there's people in for a swim down in the falls. All nice. Crazy, huh? What a difference. So today we're going to take a walk down. It's about 3 levels the falls, so we're going to take a walk down and see if we can get shot down the bottom. What a difference. We came down here the other day, and there was a whole waterfall which had opened up out of nowhere, which was actually coming down the path here, and you just couldn't get across the path. The path was a foot deep in this really fast flowing water, so it was just way too dangerous. So anyway, today we'll see if we can get some shots. We've got some sunshine, we've got some good light, we've got some water. Let's see what we get. So we've just come down the hill here and come across this other waterfall here where you can see there's still some carnage from the falls the other day. This log was sitting down here just perfectly placed to give us a leading line into the shot. So I've just set it up as a portrait shot here. There's some amazing light on the tree, so we're going to take a shot right there. About a third of a second just to stop the flow of water a little here, just to give it some effect. Let's see how that shot comes out. So what I've done is I've got the camera set up down low because I'm trying to look at these steps in front of us here as a foreground with a little pool. We've got 2 waterfalls happening, so my shutter speed's sitting about a third of a second to try and freeze the flow. So let's take this shot and let's see how that one comes out. So you won't believe the difference that a week makes. Last week I couldn't even stand here because the water was actually coming over the full width of the fall. This week it just looks really pretty. The water was really brown last week because it was just picking up everything on the way down, but now it's quite nice, quite bright. Lovely. So let's see if we can find a composition here and take a picture. We managed to get pretty close to the falls. Here's the shot that we're looking at. Just found this really nice little rock sort of puddle at the bottom of the waterfall here. Got a tree here which is just kind of framing the shot a little, and I pointed the camera downwards so you can sort of see it's got a little puddle in front, waterfall behind. Nice. Let's see if we can get this. I think I'm on a 2-second shutter, so we'll get some very even flows across the falls here. So that's it again, Somersby Falls. Kind of a busy place. It's a beautiful day, so families come down, bring the kids for a swim. So I won't put you in the sun. Anyway, if you like what you see in the channel, give it a like, subscribe, do all that stuff. It's time for coffee. Okay, have a good one. See you next time.